Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are going to be looking at HEDERA or HBAR currently at the $0.0883 level. And today we are going to be looking at what could be the yearly close right here for HEDERA and what that could mean for HEDERA going into 2024. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So for HEDERA, basically, we are still ranked at number 32 with a market cap of about $2.797 billion. We are having a 24-hour volume of about $82.69 million, right? So in the last 1 week, we had seen this push to the downside of about 3.9%. And without further ado, let us push to the charts, right? And so we have the chart right here for HEDERA hashgraph or HBAR versus the USD dollars. We want the daily time frame and Binance is the data source, right? And so for HEDERA going into 2023, we saw this sort of massive push to the downside, forming new lows, and we were saying we need to see that turnaround in 2023. If not, everything could break up, right? And we actually saw the turnaround right here, massive buy volumes. We saw our micro trend shift to the bulls or become very bullish. We saw this sort of and we became very bullish going into 2023 on the channel. We saw this push of about 140%, and the moment we began to see our micro trend turn bearish. We were saying, guys, begin to take profit on your positions right there in February as something big is happening, right? And we saw this sort of massive push to the downside right here for HEDERA, and since then we began to see this sort of push to the downside right here for HEDERA. HEDERA continued to see that push to the downside. In June, we saw another push above the micro trend. We saw that push, but basically that was a fake out. And since then, we saw that push again to the downside right here for HEDERA, right? But going into October, especially in September, we were trying to say it's a trap. Please do not be deceived. September is actually the accumulation month, and we accumulated so much of HEDERA throughout September. We every single day accumulation, excess something big in this in October, right? And as you can see, going into October, it looked like nothing was going to happen, and the ending of October, we have seen this sort of massive push to the upside right here for HEDERA, right? So we have been emphasizing that when we saw everything happened exactly as predicted, and since then, from our accumulation points in September, we have seen this sort of massive push of about 107% to the upside right here for HBAR, right? And so what does the yearly close mean, right? So currently the micro trend is still bullish, right? The only reason we would be bearish going into 2024 is if we see prices close below this $0.073 level, right? So we need to see, except we see a dump in the next few days of about 15%, HEDERA or HBAR continues to remain bullish, right? And so if we see the yearly close below this level, that means we are bearish, right below the 0.073. But if we continue or basically just close at this level like this, it basically means HEDERA is still very bullish going into 2024, and we should still expect some sort of massive push to the upside right here for HEDERA, right? So it basically means HEDERA continues to remain bullish if we close the year at this 0.087. So far, we do not close the year below this level. Expect some sort of massive push to the upside in 2024 right there for HEDERA. As you can see, micro trend is still bullish, macro trend is still bullish. The purple line right here, our bull market EMA is still bullish, right? So that's the update right here on HEDERA HBAR. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.